Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make money online. Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It allows you to have flexibility and control over your income, and can even be done from the comfort of your own home. There are many ways to make money online, and in this video I'll be sharing some of the most effective and legitimate methods. First, let's talk about starting your own online business. This can be in the form of selling products or services through a website or online platform such as Etsy, eBay, or Fiverr. If you have a skill or hobby that you're passionate about, turning it into an online business can be a great way to monetize your talents. Another way to make money online is through freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to find freelance gigs in a variety of fields, including writing, design, and social media management. This is a great option for those who have a specific skill set and are looking for flexible, part-time work. Affiliate marketing is another popular method for making money online. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale that you generate. This can be done through a blog, social media, or even just by sharing your referral link with friends and family. Finally, let's talk about earning passive income through investments. This can include things like investing in stocks, real estate, or even creating an online course or ebook that generates passive income. While these methods may require more upfront work, they can provide a steady stream of income over time. I hope this video has given you some ideas for how to make money online. It's important to remember that it takes time and effort to build a successful online income, but with dedication and hard work, it is definitely possible. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.